Hey everybody, welcome back to the life of Maggie and me. Today we're going to be showing you how we make our Spanish rice and chicken. To start things off, we're going to go ahead and saute some garlic and onions, about 1 to 2 minutes until the onions and garlic start to get fragrant and a little bit transparent. Once the aroma is filling your house, you're going to go ahead and add some tomato paste. At this point, you're going to incorporate the tomato paste into the sauteed garlic and onions, just like he's doing right here. After some time, you can go ahead and add in your seasonings. So the first season that we added was the Saison, and then we're going to incorporate that into everything, as well as the green pigeon peas. After everything has been combined, we're going to go ahead and add in our second seasoning, which is the powdered chicken bouillon. You'll give everything a thorough mix and add any additional tomato paste that you feel necessary. We were lacking just a little bit, so he added about a tablespoon more, and we went ahead and mixed everything thoroughly. Go ahead and measure out your rice. We use parboiled rice for this recipe, and we added that in and incorporated everything, mixing it very thoroughly so that way the rice is coated with everything that we've put into the pot. So by now, everything should be smelling amazing. We decided to add just a little bit more Saison just because we wanted it to be a very bright orange. So we added a little bit more of that, also to include some more flavor. And we mixed everything once again. Lastly, before adding in our water to the rice, we added some sofrito and incorporated that thoroughly throughout the rice as well. Once you add your water to the rice, you're going to go ahead and put the stove on low, cover it, and let it go ahead and simmer for 30 minutes. Moving on to the chicken, you're going to want to clean your chicken thighs, season them, and then go ahead and coat in some seasoned flour. Once it's all coated, it should look like this. Next, you're going to go ahead and put some olive oil in a pan and fry the chicken on both sides so that way it looks like this. By now, your rice should be almost done and looking just like this. We also went ahead and made some green beans. So we put some olive oil in a pan, some butter, seasoned the green beans with salt and black pepper. And then we went ahead and added some garlic paste into the pan and sauteed the green beans. Y'all, look at the color on that chicken by itself. Like, I wanted to just eat that by itself, but we're not done yet. So we went ahead and added some garlic and onions back to the pot after taking the fried chicken out. We added some bell peppers, some green onions, and of course some carrots. We went ahead and sauteed those for about 1 to 2 minutes, just until they softened. Next, we got out some red cooking wine and we added about a cup to that. Then we went ahead and added the fried chicken back to the pan. Don't forget all the drippings, all the gravy, put that right back in the pan. That's where all the flavor is. Lastly, we went ahead and measured out 1 cup of chicken stock. We chose for the healthier option of unsalted, but do as you please. And once that is added, you go ahead and put the top on the pan and let that bubble for about 30 minutes. Now, the bonus recipe, which was super delicious, very just amazing, was this chorizo potatoes, right? So what we did was we thinly sliced some potatoes, made little chorizo patties, and lined some parchment paper with these potato and chorizo combination. We went ahead and preheated the oven to 350 degrees, put that in there, and the last 30 minutes, this is how everything looked once it came together. It was so delicious, you guys.